Hi guys, in today's video we're going to see how to check online for required documents to start your educational credential assessment process through WES for your immigration process to proceed. And I will show you a live demo step by step. Please follow the same so that you can follow the same process while you applying. Please stay tuned. For latest update, please subscribe to our channel. I'm going to upload a tons of video regarding immigration to Canada, Australia and from many more countries to save your valuable money. Okay, now I have given this link in the description box below. You just click that and get into this page where you're going to apply for. In this, if you're doing for Canada immigration, you just click for Canada immigration. So I'm doing for Canada immigration, so I'm clicking that, and then select your country as per your country where you reside in, and then status of your education. If you are completed, give completed, and then type of education level which you have completed. I am a professional, so I am giving selecting as a professional education. So click that and choose according to your education level. Type of institution, enter the institution name where you have studied. I am giving my institution name, and then name of your diploma or certificate, name of the course which you have completed. I have completed my bachelor's of engineering in civil engineering, so I am giving selecting that. You can choose anyone, I'm just showing you guys. Let's say I'm taking as a electrical engineering, and then you need to click view the requirements. It will show you the required documents which you need to apply. In this in this case you can see your education, bachelor's in electrical engineering, University India. Likewise you need to check for yourself too. Now, important information, as they have said, before you review the list of documents to send to WES, please read this important information about specific requirement that may apply to depending on the credential you hold and the country or institution where you studied. This information will ensure you by sending the right document, which may help you to expedite your evaluation. This is an important information before applying. As soon as you get into this page, please read important information wherever they have mentioned. Okay, if you click this button, WES reserves the right to verify all documents submit for evaluation. If it is determined that verification is required, WES will contact your institution or other authorized source to authenticate your documents. Once response is received, WES will proceed with your evaluation. If they have any doubt or clarification, they will contact your institution to have a cross check. So in this, you need to check your requirement checklist. Now, what are the documents? Please preview the list of required document and how to send them. Note to the applicant: checklist of the required document is based on the initial information you submitted as part of your WES application. If the information is incorrect, we may not request the additional documents. In this certificate of membership, it is an official document. In this, they have said an official document is a document issued by the authorized authority such as awarding institution, your ministry, technical board or other institution. It may include institutional seal, signature of appropriate official copy of your required listed on your document. As you are checking your document, you need to have an official degree certificate or transcripts, whatever it may they require. What you need to do here, this is you, and this is your document. You're sending this to your WES upload, to WES website. While uploading this stuff, here you can see, you can upload a clear and legible copy of document in my account page. And many people asking me that uh, how to upload without error free. I'm going to say this shortly. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and I will show what are the requirement especially to follow while uploading, and what are the things you need to be cautious about it. And second is the statement of marks and official transcript. You need to this is a required document. This is an official document, is issued by appropriate examination, but that is your university after you completing all your examination. Marks, each part or section of your part, in this you need to send this to your institution, and then they will send directly to the WES. If it is electronic, and institution will guide you. If you ask them according to their terms and condition, they will follow, and they will guide you. Ask the body which conducted the examination to attest and send your document directly to us, as I've said before, and a sealed envelope that is signed for, stamped across the back flap by appropriate authentication officer. FIS will not accept documents sent by college except autonomous college, student themselves, third party, or anyone. WES is very strict in this sending your document through mail, whatever it may be. They are very strict in their evaluation process. If it missed anything, so be careful while applying for WES. Please provide the factual information. They have instructed everything clearly in this, and follow this step accordingly. And thanks for watching, guys. If you have any doubt, comment me below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.